Hello student, chapter number 6, the proper triangles and its property. In that today we solve exercise 6.4. In that first question, is it possible to have triangle with the following sides? Okay, here three sums are there. We solve first two sums. Okay, here measurement of three sides are given and triangle is possible or not. You just check that one. Okay, so first one, in that first one, exercise 6.4, question number 1. Okay, three sides are there. First one, that is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, so suppose we take triangle here like that, triangle ABC. Okay, and measurement of sides are A, B and C. That means suppose A equal to 2 centimeter, B equal to 3 centimeter and C equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, and we check AB plus B means addition of. We know that how to check that one. If addition of two side is greater than third one, okay, in all one, that means triangle is possible, otherwise not. Okay, so we check the first one, that is A plus B. Okay, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Is it equal to C? Okay, that is equal to C. Okay, that means no, triangle is not possible. We need greater than third side. Okay, so here triangle is not possible. Okay, same for second one. Look, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Here we check directly. Okay, look, 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. First we take first two, equal to 9 centimeter, which is greater than 7 centimeter. Means with that one it's plus, yes. Okay, possible. Now take another two, 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter equal to 13 centimeter, which is greater than 3 centimeter. Means here also it's possible. Then take first and last, 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter, which is greater than 6 centimeter. Means sum of any two side is always greater than third one in all sections. Okay, in all sides. Means here triangle is possible. Now here not possible. Okay, same for third one. You just check yourself. Okay, now question number 2. Okay, we saw on the next page. Look here, in question number 2, one figure is there, PQR, and in interior side one point O is there. Okay, so we draw that figure. Look, this type of figure is there, that is P here, R, P, Q and at interior side O is there. Okay, and just check that one. First one, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, question. Number 2, OQ plus OR is greater than QR, question mark. And third one, OR plus OP is greater than PR, question mark. Okay, so to check first one, we take, look, first reason is, what is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. So here what to do, we join, O is at interior side, we join point O with all that vertices. Okay, look, O and P, that is OP, O and Q, that is OQ, and OR is OR. Okay, now in first one we take here, which are the points, you just checked it one, O, P and Q, 3 points are there. here look in only 3 points are there, O, P and Q. So we take OP, Q together. So when we take OPQ, OPQ, we are having one triangle is there. Look, okay, triangle. So in triangle OPQ, OPQ is triangle. Okay, we know that. Okay, sum of any two side of triangle. Okay, here I just symbolic write down triangle. You just write down triangle is greater than third side. Okay, so addition of any two side. So we take OP and OQ together. So OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Okay, so OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Okay, same for second one. In triangle, here OQ and R is there. OQ and R. So we take triangle OQR. In triangle OQR. Now we know that. Okay, three sides and about that one. Directly you just write down OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Okay, and same for third one. In triangle POR, OR plus OP is greater than PR. Okay, now next sum, question number 3. Look, in that one figure is given. Okay, triangle ABC. In that M is median. Okay, of triangle ABC. AM is median. Okay, so you just prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. Okay, so let we draw that figure first. It's here, question number 3, and figure is like that. Here A, B, C, and here M is there, and M is median, means BM and MC are equal. Okay, they are equal, and you just prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. Okay, just prove that one. Okay, let me start. Look, here triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, AM is median. Okay, and with that median, AM is median, so BM equal to MC. You just write down number 1 here. Okay, that is our result number 1. Okay, both are equal. Now look, next one, AM is median and it's divide triangle ABC into 2 parts. Okay, which are they? Here triangle ABM. Look, first triangle is triangle ABM is there, and triangle AMC is there. Okay, first we take ABM. Okay, in triangle ABM, we know that sum of length of any two side is greater than third one. So in ABM we take AB plus BM. AB plus BM, that is greater than third one, that is AM. Okay, our result number 2. And in triangle AMC, AMC. Okay, in that also AC plus MC. AC plus MC, that is greater than AM. Third side, number 3. Okay, AC plus MC, these two sides are greater than third one. Triangle is there. Okay, third one. Clear? Now for addition of these two, okay, here add 2 plus 3, these two regions, you just add that one. When you add this type of region, you just add left side with left side and right side with right side. Okay, this one is left side and this one is right side. Okay, let we check one example. We take example 2 plus 3 is greater than 4 and 1 plus 4 is greater than 3. Okay, now we add these two sides. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 is greater than 4 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is greater than 4. And 4 plus 1 is also 5. 5 is greater than 3. Okay, and addition of these two means 10 is greater than sum of these two, 7. Okay, same here. So addition of 2 and 3. So we add the left sides. So AB plus BM plus AC plus MC is greater than these two sides, AM plus AM. Okay, now here we arrange them. Okay, when we arranging them, they are having, we are get same answers. Okay, so AB plus BM, we write down BM and MC together, plus MC plus AC, otherwise CA, it's same, is greater than AM plus AM means 2 times AM. X plus X is 2X, same AM plus AM, 2AM. Okay, now check this one, BM plus MC, BM and MC. Okay, addition of BM and MC, that is BC. Okay, big. Okay, so here AB plus BM plus MC, that is BC plus AC. You just write down AC or CA, it's same, is greater than 2 times AM. That is our reason, what you want to prove. Okay, so here AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. Okay, so today we solve 3 questions. Okay, you just solve first, second and third question in your notebook. Rest of 2 questions we solve in the next period. Okay, thank you.